if you are looking for saving your photos or stories to a featured collection but you are not able to find the settings or not able to keep the photos on your featured collection, then don't worry at all. Today in this video, I will be showing you how can you keep your stories to a featured collection and on your profile. Before that, if you are new to this channel, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. So the first thing is you need to open up your Facebook and log into your account, obviously. And after logging in, you'll be able to see the setup page or your newsfeed in the Facebook. So if you tap on your profile at the left upper corner and see over here, there is no unique feature collection of the stories on my profile. So in order to get back, you have to go back to your home page and tap on the three bar horizontal line in the right upper corner, and you have to scroll a little bit where you'll be able to see the settings and privacy. Simply tap on the drop down and go to settings, and on the settings you have to scroll a little bit where you'll be able to see audience and visibility, under which you have to go for stories, and here are the options of stories, which are story privacy, sharing option, story archive, and stories you have muted. Simply go for story archive, and here the save to archive option is turned off. You have to simply tap on it and turn it on, and by doing that you will be able to save the story to your archive both on the digital and the city. So that you have to go back and you have to go for story privacy, and right now the story privacy is public. You have to set it to friends and you have to go for save, and by doing that you'll be able to run the settings of the feature collection. You can go back, and right now you can see my story. For keeping it to feature, you can tap on the star like option at the right upper corner and you have to go for save. You can also name the collection or name the feature photo, and you can tap on your profile at the left upper corner. You can scroll, and here you can see the collection has been added. You can also add new and other stories that you want as well. So this is how you do. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.